Beijing just announced a new round of tariffs on U.S. goods in response to Washington's latest 10% tariffs on Chinese imports. As a countermeasure, Beijing plans to impose tariffs on over 5,000 different products worth about $75 billion at rates of 5 and 10%. They will take effect in two batches, that is on September the 1st and December the 15th, respectively. The second will include tariffs of up to 25% on American-made vehicles and auto parts. And authorities note China's retaliatory tariff-adding measures is a forced move to deal with American unilateralism and trade protectionism. The Chinese once again reiterated that for China and the U.S., cooperation is the only choice, and a win-win situation can lead to a better future.